This guide will walk you through the process of unpacking your order when it arrives, so it's easy to distribute your products. First, receiving your delivery. If your delivery consists of multiple boxes, make sure you locate and open the box labelled 1. This contains your packing report. You will need to check the report to make sure that every item is present in your delivery. Be careful unpacking multiple boxes at once. Everything is already packaged in order for you, so be careful not to get it mixed up. Please note, if you're expecting mugs, they are sent in a separate delivery, so may arrive at a different time. Let's go through how your order is packaged. Within your delivery, you will find each type of product in separate groups. Products are packed in class order, alphabetically, with labelled tabs separating each class. Within each class, you will find your product in alphabetical order by first name. Mugs are packed in rows from left to right. They are also sorted into class and first name order. Here's how you check your report. There will be a packing report for every type of product that has been ordered. It is essential to check that each item has been delivered. Go through the report, checking that each item listed is on the delivery and in the correct quantity. Note that classes may span across multiple boxes. You may find there are some products that do not have the pupil's name on them, because they have requested not to have their name printed. You can still find their name by using the artwork code on their product. Find this code on the packing report, and the pupil's name will be within the details, along with no name requested. If you do believe that an item is missing, or you have any queries, here's what to do. Don't hand out the products. This will help us quickly resolve any issues. Contact us by raising a ticket through your Organisers portal, or give us a call. Any issues must be reported within 7 days of receiving your delivery. Once you're happy you have everything and any issues have been reported, you can distribute your products as you wish.